So we're going to learn now how to set up Active Directory so that you can log in to your CommServe Java console or even the Commvault Command Center via your single sign-on. In order to do that, I'm in the Commvault Command Center. I'm going to click on Manage. I'm going to go down to under Security. So I'm going to find my way to the Identity servers. I'm going to click on Identity servers. And then I'm going to choose to add an identity server. So mine is the Get a Job in Tech is my domain. Get a job in tech. And my fully qualified domain name is getajobintech.local. My username for this is going to be Commvault. So I've set up an account already called Commvault. And I'm going to click Save. There's nothing I need to click on and add a user. I'm just going to X that out. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a user. I'm going to go over here to Security again. Click on Users. I'm going to add a user. This time I'm going to add a domain user. It's a little different than the local user. In this case, it's going to be an external user. And so, the domain is going to be getajobintech/Gary. Then the email is gary@getajobintech.local. Okay. User group is going to be under master. That's where I change the user group. Click Save. Next, we're going to try to log in using the local, the single sign-on. So you see the Get a Job in Tech, Gary there, here. Let's do admin console. Admin console, yeah. Same kind of thing. Now let's try out for the Commvault Command Center here. Excuse me, the Commvault ComCell. Excuse me. So that would, I'm going after to show you the login, single sign-on login, because I'm logged in as Gary under the server. And so once this happens, I'm able to log in to this computer, to this Java console. As you can see at the very bottom here, the Get a Job in Tech/Gary, noting that I have in fact logged in with my credentials. And let's go over here. We'll go to Security, then Commvault Domain and Organization, Get a Job in Tech user, and then we're going to see my user as being logged in. Notice the difference. You have the domain account credentials, log in as a domain, and then the name, of course.